Thank you for downloading the AHRQ QuestionBuilder app. We have developed the QuestionBuilder app to make it easy for you to get prepared for your next medical visit. Simply select from a list of questions, add your own custom questions or picture, and save them via your calendar or email. It is literally that easy for you to have all your questions at your fingertips for your next medical appointment. The main menu opening screen on the app prompts you to input your healthcare provider's information and set the date and time for your next medical appointment. Both of these are completely optional. Simply toggle them on and off to input your information. If you select to turn off the date and time feature, you won't be able to save your questions in a calendar appointment, and you will only be able to email your questions to yourself, your provider, or a trusted friend or family member. Next, select the purpose of your appointment. We currently have 4 pathways for you to select questions from: to talk about a health problem, to get or change a medicine, to get medical tests, and to talk about surgery or medical procedures. Once you have selected the purpose of your appointment, 2 new options will appear on the main menu screen: questions for your healthcare provider and questions your healthcare provider might ask. You can select either of these or both to help you better develop your questions for your next appointment. Click the Start button to the right of either category to begin. In Questions for your healthcare provider, you will see a list of questions based on the selected purpose for your visit. Select any of the questions from the list you want. Once finished, click the Next button. On this next screen, you will see the list of questions you picked and have the ability to add custom questions you might have. To add a question, click the Add button and type in your question. After you have added all of your custom questions, click the Done button to return to the main menu screen. If you want to go back and edit any of your questions, simply click the Edit button. Next, you can organize your answers for the questions your provider might ask. Click the Start button to go through the questions. You can answer any and all that apply. Once you have finished, click the Done button. Finally, if you want, you can add a photo of a health concern or document to your information. After clicking the Add button, choose a photo or document on your phone. Now you are ready to export your information to email or your calendar. Click the Review button to take the next step. After you have reviewed your information and you are ready, click the Save Info button. From here, select how you would like to have your information as an email or calendar item. Remember, if you did not previously set a date and time for the appointment, you will not be able to save your information as a calendar item. If you select email, you can email your list to yourself or anyone you like. Also, in the email app, you can CC or BCC anyone else as well. Remember, during your appointment, you can answer questions or take notes in either your email or your calendar. If you have any questions or feedback about the QuestionBuilder app, click the Tools icon at the upper left-hand corner, and a member of our team will connect with you shortly.